if this square, okay, represent, I don't know if you can see it with the glare, hopefully you
Yeah,
can see this
we can
square
see
on this
it.
piece of paper
Yeah.
represents the human body, okay? And the human body has something inside the circle, which is called a brain. And that brain resides inside the body, and the brain is responsible for certain functions and biological functions that keep the body alive, keeps your heart rate going and your breathing. And your body, coincidentally, is also responsible for keeping the brain alive through circulatory processes and whatnot. So the brain needs the body, and the body needs the brain. And so the brain is responsible for thinking, the body is responsible for protecting and moving and sustaining. And that's what a lot of people consider life. But there's another element. There's another element to the human being, and possibly to all sentient life. And that is the notion of this triangle. And that triangle is what some have referred to as the soul or the id or the chi or the spirit, right? It is something that does reside inside the body, but is not contained necessarily with inside the body. And is it possible that consciousness is part of that process, that spirit, that thing that is, it is all encompassing of what a human being really is, the essence, if you were to, if you will, imagine distilling a human being down to its actual essence, and that is what you have left over once the carbon of the body is gone, and you know whatnot, the organics, if you will, what's left behind. And that is the great mystery of the universe, because that it is possible to some degree. Some people have speculated that's maybe how people can remote view and psychic abilities and all these things that seem to be paranormal, when in reality may have a very perfectly rational explanation. It's just part of a hidden kingdom,
Mhm.
but a hidden kingdom to which we're all connected.